Hey, Kitty Cat. I see you looking at that motherfucker. I bet you won't go steal off on him, though. Man, that rabbit will beat your motherfucking ass, huh? He posted up, too. He might think you a rabbit. He might come over here and fuck the shit out of your feline ass. That ain't gonna stop him either. You gotta learn to hold your own out here, man. I ain't always gonna be here for you. Like, what's up with rabbits in the mountains, bro? Like, rabbits where I'm from would gonna been hit that wood line. This motherfucker just posted up. Beetles flying everywhere. Bitch, I'm going inside.